Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that turns your purchasing dilemmas into easy decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic cleaning titans against each other, the Narwal Freo robot vacuum and mop on my left, and the eufy X8 Pro robot vacuum on my right. It's the ultimate showdown of clean freaks, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with the most painful part, the price. The Narwal Freo comes with a price tag of $1,399. That's right, folks. For the price of a small vacation, you can have a robot that both vacuums and mops. But hey, it does come with a lot of bells and whistles. More on that later. On the other hand, we have the eufy X8 Pro, which is a comparatively wallet-friendly $649. At that price, you could buy two and still have enough left over for a decent dinner date. Who says romance is dead? Now, let's talk about suction power. The Narwal Freo is no slouch, but it's more like your multitasking friend who's good at everything but not exceptional at one thing. It vacuums and mops, but it doesn't boast about its suction power. Reviewers have noted that while it's effective on hard floors, it struggles a bit on carpets. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro flexes its muscles with a powerful 2 × 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. This thing could probably suck the soul out of your carpet, or at least the pet hair. Reviewers have praised its strong suction and effective cleaning performance, even on carpets. When it comes to mopping, the Narwal Freo is like that overachieving student who does all the extra credit. It has smart Swing Mopping and Dirtsense Ultra Clean technology that makes sure every corner and baseboard is spotless. It even sanitizes the mop pads with the perfect water-to-cleaner ratio. It's basically the Marie Kondo of robot mops, and reviewers have been impressed with its mopping capabilities. The eufy X8 Pro, however, looks at mopping and says, "Nah, I'm good." It sticks to what it knows best, vacuuming. So if you want a robot that does it all, Narwal is your guy. But if vacuuming is all you need, eufy's your dude. Self-cleaning is where things get interesting. The Narwal Freo can wash and dry its mop pads with 3 different drying modes. It's like having your own mini laundromat at home. Plus, it ensures your mop pads don't turn into a petri dish of horrors. Reviewers have appreciated this feature, noting it saves a lot of manual effort. On the flip side, the eufy X8 Pro has a tangle-free roller brush that removes hair by itself after every clean. No more playing barber for your vacuum. Plus, it empties its dustbin into a 2.5L station that only needs attention every 45 days. It's like the vacuum that never calls you unless it's an emergency. Reviewers have found this feature particularly convenient. Both robots come with some pretty nifty smart features. The Narwal Freo has Freo Mode, which makes optimal cleaning decisions so you don't have to lift a finger. It even recommends switching to 2.4G Wi-Fi for better stability. It's like having a tech-savvy butler. Reviewers have noted its seamless integration with smart home devices. The eufy X8 Pro, on the other hand, comes with customizable AI Map 2.0 and iPath laser navigation. It's basically a cleaning ninja, avoiding obstacles and mapping out the most efficient routes. You can even set no-go zones, so it doesn't accidentally vacuum up your pet hamster. Reviewers have praised its efficient navigation and smart features. Overall, reviewers have found the Narwal Freo to be a high-end, versatile cleaning machine that's worth the investment, particularly for its mopping and self-cleaning capabilities. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro has been praised for its powerful suction and efficient cleaning performance at a more affordable price point. Both products have their strengths, so your choice depends on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. If you want a jack of all trades that vacuums, mops, and practically does the dishes, the Narwal Freo is your high-end pick. But if you're looking for a vacuuming powerhouse that won't break the bank, the eufy X08 Pro is your go-to guy. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.